Good morning, everybody. I am Tushar Agarwal. Today I am going to talk on lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is the term refers to the application of lean practice principles and tools to the development of manufacturing physical product. Many manufacturers are using lean manufacturing principles to eliminate waste, optimize process, cut cost, boost innovation, and reduce time to market in the first place. Lean manufacturing, also known as lean production, just in time manufacturing, and just in time production, or JIT, is a production method primarily aims to reduce times within the production system as well as response time from the supplier to the customer. Lean manufacturing defines waste as anything that does not add value to the customer. This can be process, activity, product, or service. Anything that requires an investment of time, money, and talent that does not create value for the customer is waste. Idle time, unutilized talent, excess inventory, and inefficient process are all considered waste by the lean definition. Objective of lean manufacturing: improve quality, elimination of waste. There are several type of waste like overproduction, waste of unnecessary motion, okay, waste of inventory, production of defects, waste for waiting, waste of transportation, waste of over processing. Then reduce time. Then last is continuous improvement. All these four points are come in the lean manufacturing. Principles of lean manufacturing. There are 5 lean manufacturing principles: production of value, optimizing the value stream, converting the process to flow, activating the demand pull, okay, and perfection of all products, process, and services. These 5 are the fundamental principles of lean manufacturing process. Okay, then learning. Now skill edge is providing all these lean what we had discussed in this 6 sub modules of the lean manufacturing. Under the lean manufacturing module, we are giving you the training on this. Number 1, type of waste. We are going to discuss about the different type of waste, how you are, what we I had explained you previously, कितने टाइप के वेस्ट होते हैं, उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, all these things, types of waste. ओके, देन स्ट्रेटेजी एंड टूल्स टू एलिमिनेट दिस वेस्ट. इसमें से बहुत सारे वेस्ट ऐसे हैं जो अनवांटेड हैं, दे कैन बी एलिमिनेटेड, दे कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड टू नेग्लिजिबल लेवल. So how this wastage can be reduced to negligible level, you are going to learn with some case study or some examples, live examples. Then total productive maintenance. Total productive maintenance is also a part of lean manufacturing, because मेंटेनेंस एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जिसे कहते हैं अनसेपरेबल डिपार्टमेंट है, बट इट इज अगेन द comes in a and in a supervision of production department. So there is a concept of lean manufacturing in total productive maintenance. Then implementation of TPM, that is total productive maintenance को implement कैसे करेंगे? Overall equipment efficiency मीन्स जो मशीन है उसका ओवरऑल कितना एफिशिएंसी है, कितना पर आवर प्रोडक्ट या पर डे प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट कम्स इन ए पार्ट ऑफ ओवरऑल इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. देन लास्ट इज लीन सिक्स सिग्मा. सिक्स सिग्मा आपने सुना होगा, सिक्स सिग्मा आपने सबने सुना होगा कि सिक्स सिग्मा क्या है. बट when we talk about lean six sigma, this six sigma is associated with the concept of lean. So then it is called lean six sigma. Let's see what is lean six sigma. Lean six sigma is like this. There is a lean concept. Okay, you practicing lean concept, and then you have a six sigma fundamentals and a six sigma utility. When you club it, then it is called lean six sigma. Okay, so this is all about today's session on the lean manufacturing. Thank you everybody.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. #स्किल से करियर तक हम आपके साथ हैं.